Hi guys, welcome back to Best Eats. Today we're going to be making a high protein breakfast bake. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to start off doing is by sauteing the vegetables that are going into our breakfast bake. I'm taking a little bit of olive oil. Here we go. I'm just going to let that heat up. Into this, I am going to be adding our vegetables. As you can see, we have green onions, spring onions, some yellow bell pepper, and mushrooms. So we're just going to let that saute a bit. And as that sautés, I'm just going to season. The reason why I'm pre-cooking my vegetables is so they don't release their water when the bake goes in the oven. Okay, so I'm just going to take that off because I don't want to overcook these. So now, if you notice, I've taken all those vegetables, placed them in a container on the side, and I'm going to use the same pan to cook my last vegetable, which is spinach. You're going to notice I am not re-oiling this pan. I'm just going to use this very same pan that I cooked the previous vegetables with. Now to my spinach, I am going to season once again. And this time I'm just seasoning with a little salt, pepper, and garlic powder. It looks as if we have a pan full of spinach, but because of the water content of this vegetable, you're gonna see it's gonna cook down into almost half of what it looks like right now. Just give it a second. See, it's all wilting. There you go. Now, we don't want to overcook this because it's going to go in the oven, but we do want to get out of this as much water as we can before we add it to our final mixture. Like that. And now that's done. Okay, so now we're moving on to the filling. You're going to need 3 eggs. We're going to be using some cottage cheese. Yeah, this is a half a cup. So I used about a cup of cottage cheese. And then I'm just gonna lightly salt, just lightly. Remember, our vegetables were seasoned. So we don't wanna make our over salt our bake. And now we're just gonna whip this until the eggs and the cottage cheese are fully incorporated within each other, like that. All right, and just like that. Now moving right along. Okay, so in our Pyrex dish, we are going to place our tortilla. And you're just gonna fit it in your dish like that. Try and get it even on all sides. So you might have to just adjust it a little bit. You're going to pour your mixture into your dish like that. And now you're gonna add your vegetables. So I'm gonna add them. I'm gonna add my spinach. So we're just gonna put in our mushroom, bell pepper, scallion, sauteed vegetable mixture in there like that. There you go. That looks good. And then lastly, we're gonna top this with some cheese. Now it's optional. I'm using mild cheddar, a mixture of mild cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. But you could also use vegan cheese, whatever you have at home or you prefer. Okay, that's done. And now we're just gonna put this in the oven. We're baking this on the temperature of 350. My oven has been preheating already, and so we're gonna put this in. Okay, so here's our finished product. As you can see, we had an added unexpected ingredient. As I was about to pop it in the oven, my daughter ran downstairs and begged me to add bacon to it, so I obliged her. Now this is optional, of course. Now I'm cutting this and it's hot. There you go. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on the plate and then I'll show you. Okay, here is the finished product. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us. Have a wonderful rest of your day.